This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. So this is super easy to put together. The wheels are already on. You got your little pamphlet on here as well. And all your accessories, but that's it. You know, it's so simple. So you have your grip. I want to say bars, but so basically how it works is you're just gonna put and thread it on like that inside here. So you put this through and then you line this up and then you just twist. Twist on until it's tight. And there you go. It's that simple. So easy, guys. There's no work involved.